Hello everybody. It's been a long time since I posted. I've been busy with work and stuff, but we did get some work done this past week on the post area. You can see all the posts are painted now, so they're all uniform. We've got one coat of paint on there so far, not much else. We still have to get some texture on this middle area and the outside areas. So we'll get that texture on and it'll be a nice match. You can see the nice thing we did, I got done just yesterday, all of the old light holes that were in the ceiling. They did a really good job, sorry. It's really, those lights are kind of killing us here. They all pretty much meld in. And here we had that whole long area strip that I worked it down. It took me about 3-4 weeks of work, you know, just a little bit at a time to work it down, and it was a mess. Drywall, you know, sanding that stuff, it's just a mess. So we got all that, it's nice and uniform. We get a coat of ceiling paint on there. You'll never know that there was a separation in a wall there ever. One of the big things is we got this sanded down, so this is the beam look at the top. And I sanded it all down, filled any kind of little holes or niches there, and then roughed it up. I used a wire brush on a drill to rough it up. It gave it some nice grooves and characteristics. We did the front side and the underside, so it looks like one nice big bulky beam that's kind of holding everything up there. Now what we're going to do with this is we're going to dry brush it with the same color as the posts, and that's going to give us the nice effect of antiqued, worked in, you know, it weathered, seen a few years but not too much. So everything's pretty much, all the dirty work and the mess is done. It's just painting now at this point, just getting these paint jobs done. You can see the back wall is still orange. Once I get the post front end done, and actually next weekend is a long weekend, and that's probably going to be this project. Now that I've worked all the top done, I always work top down, okay? So this is going to be next, is we're going to get this faux stone put into place. What I'll probably do is get everything done except for the last pieces that we need here and on the ends. And once I know what we have, I'll go rent a wet saw and just start chopping those out and, you know, putting them in place. But I'll get all the large pieces in place first, and then all we'll have are cuts at the end. So that's going to be next week, because it is a long weekend. I'll get that all done. And we're probably going to go, I would say probably about a 1/2 inch. We're going to put a 1/2 inch support at the bottom, so we're about a 1/2 inch off from where the brick starts. The brick can set on that, and it will allow us for any flooring to duck up underneath it. Maybe 3/8 of an inch, I'll see. It's either going to be a 1/2 or a 3/8. But pretty much tomorrow I'll start dry brushing the top beam and get that all done. I really like that it's actually two pieces of just 1x12 I think it was, and we'll be able, it looks like one solid beam. It just melds right in. You don't even see the seam going down at the end. So I'll let you know. I'll keep you updated as to where we're at, but probably tomorrow's just going to be touch up paint and kind of button a few things up here. Thank you.